In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move a number of stock items from one location to another location in bulk. So if we are in Zoho Inventory, we can go to Inventory and we go to Transfers Orders. Here we can go to a new transfer order and we can do the source location and we can choose the destination location. And here we can enter in our items here. Now, what we can do is you can hit add items in bulk. So you can choose different items that we have here, and you can change the item quantities if you've got a number that you want to move across. So here it will say this is in your source, and this is your destination, and this is your quantity. When you're happy, then you can hit save as draft. And then you can initiate the transfer. And then what that's done is it's moved those items from this location to our destination location.